All right, appreciate you guys for having me. My name is Ed Blount. I am the founder and CEO of Fast USA, which is football action skills tours. I'm building a sports entertainment property that would look something like UFC. Next slide. By the way, I'm a former quarterback. I played for 49ers back in 1987. After I got out of school, I wanted to throw the ball, so I started running flag football leagues. Built a 5-on-5 game that was fun, safe, so that people could participate and say they play football without the stigma behind football. So in doing that, I built this 18 leagues and 500 teams in 3 years. And now I want to make the sport that I created a professional action sport, kind of in the lines of what Dana White did with UFC. So I just want to take a fragmented flag and touch football league and game and turn that into a global action sport. So at the end of the day, my goal is to make it a professional action sport and Olympic event. So I have a 16-year plan. Now, I'm going to need help with all of that. Thank you. We're removing the suit of armor and allowing the players to protect themselves. And in doing that, players are more marketable. We can see their face, kind of like basketball, hockey, rugby, soccer. So next slide. We strive, this is a big idea. So it just says, let's think young and start a new sport. We strive to build a professional sports industry. We've got like I said, a proven aggressive tag football game that removes the suit of armor, and I'll get that part. We can see this pro football, sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry. Anyway, we perceive this pro football league and event to promote our game of 5-on-5. Next slide. Fusing football and music. Football's embedded in our fabric, and music is the platform that everybody connects to. So we're looking to create a game for millennials, by millennials, and my goal is to make it, like I said, a professional sport and have the fans actually own the league. Next slide. It's a $57 billion industry, basically taking the football franchise industry and the music festival industry and combining the two. Ironically, both are $28.5 billion industry. And so our target group is 21 to 44-year-olds, so nice football fans and music lovers. Next. Market opportunity here. In 5 years, we project that 2% market share, which is a $1.4 billion based on the rolling it out, our go-to-market strategy. Next slide. Our plan is to document the origin of the sport and the teams. One celebrity, one team, one city, one charity, one event per episode. So this is a sports tech production event. It doesn't make sense to run a live event and not capture the content. We're going to use that content to tell the stories like Ultimate Fighter, American Ninja Warrior, American Idol, so forth. Next. Imagine the Super Bowl halftime all the time. Next slide. So we're creating a fusion between both music and sports. So our goal is to elevate the fan experience. With this, what we're doing is 40% of our time will be spent with football, 40% or 45% music. So in between music acts, I've been to concerts and I sit there drinking beer and hanging out. And I just noticed that there's that 45, 50-minute downtime where we're going to actually have games run. So literally stage left, you just turn your head to the left in between music acts, and you're going to get to watch a professional sports league started from the ground up and real time. So the games are, the football games are 40 minutes, so they're 2 20-minute halves, so games are about 45, 50 minutes long. So music sets, 45-minute sets, football, and then count in 10, and they just go back and forth. So there'll be 3 games, and I'll just jump to kind of how we plan on scaling it. Each event is its own tour, and so I'm looking to reproduce this 4 times. We'll think about West, North, South, East, kind of like college football conference. And then in doing that, we're going to create 6 teams with each tour. So teams will follow the tour. So we're building a 24-team league. Next. Competition. Ultimate Fighter. Ice Cube's got a big 3. American Ninja Warrior. View. Anything with talent and competition that allows people a chance to kind of live their dream. So we're bringing an opportunity for NFL caliber quarterbacks, receivers, DBs to play on this track through stories. So we're looking to capture the content and tell their stories. Next, our business model, 3 independent revenue streams plus over-the-top streaming. Netflix is spending $10 billion a year on content. Everybody's looking for more content. So our events are live ticketed events. And then we're also selling 24 teams, even though we're driving it through a reality competition show to build the teams. We're selling 24 teams, and those teams, I'm looking at not UFC, Arena Football, WNBA, and minor league baseball. And those franchises start about $10 million each. So after our first year of the tour, then the teams will be established, the first 6 teams, and then those teams will sell. So we're going to give, the goal is to give celebrities a chance to test drive it through the reality show. And then they have the option to buy the team or sell it to the highest bidder. Next slide, please. Our traction, Fast 5 football, started in 1993, made up the game. Like I said, built it from 18 to over 500. So it's a huge fragmented industry, just waiting to be organized and created a governing body, and that's why I use the UFC model. On here, we've identified locations in Vegas. So my goal is to actually build the company out of Vegas, preferably downtown. I talked with Derek Stevens of the D Casino, and he's got a venue down there, downtown Las Vegas Event Center, so he's going to give me the venue because he wants to see it, and he'll also provide a sponsor once I deliver a celebrity. So there's some contingencies here. Insomniac's interested in the event. They do the Electric Carnival Daisy, EDC. So slide marketing, Dan Scarrington runs winter sports, action sports for NBC, and the company's called Slide Marketing. So they'll be the guys that help us produce the events as well. They also do Shaun White's Hair and Style, which was in the picture earlier. Executive producer, Wayne Carboni from Entourage. The video didn't work, so you can see the video. There'll be a link later. Everybody can watch if you want to see it. I got it here. Wayne helped me put that video together. And so it just shows how we're going to use NFL kind of combine style auditions to recruit the talent and give them a chance to be selected by the hosting celebrity. Vocal Sports does an interactive in-venue enhancement technology. It's a company out of France. They're looking to establish roots in the US. You go to the event, you download the app, you can view up to 8 different camera angles. So our platform is also doubles as a production studio and TV set. So 8 camera view, you can tap into all 8 cameras and view it from your phone from your seat. So you can watch it, fast forward, rewind, everything that you can do at home. You can do it in the venue. So it's a revolutionary technology. Next. Our revenue projections, like I said, I ran leagues. So I considered like the ancillary properties of running leagues and creating franchises at the grassroots level from youth all the way to adults. as a result of the professional tour, everybody's going to want to participate. And so how I started this was, my goal was just to get it on ESPN. I figured once I got it on ESPN, everybody would want to play. We can't get enough. Next. So it's taking basically 5,000 people making an intimate events, and the goal is to double it up a year. Next. We created shirts, revenue system like the NFL, NFL, NBA. So there's a single entity league, kind of like Major League Soccer. That's how we're going to run it. Next slide. We have an app to track the stats, player statistics. We're looking for $1.5 million to produce a live showcase event. Next. And so I've got a team of cool people. Guy in the middle with the big smile, or the left, huge marketing Google guy, finance person from Wharton, Duke School of Football, Ed Blount, you know me. Derek Shaw is runs the largest marketing agency in one of the largest marketing agencies in sportswear marketing with David Meltzer and Warren Wolf. Next, fast flag football goes to become an Olympic sport. So I've got a 16-year plan and strategy to make that happen. Next slide. There it is. Future of football is changing. So looking to under Vegas and build the next UFC. A lot of